How to play Spotify through mic. So let's get started. Spotify is available as a browser-based music player but also as a standalone app. So, Spotify's output device needs to be manually changed to use voice meter input in volume mixer. The standalone app does not have the option for choosing input-output devices. It is using defaulted devices. Going forward, and that's left for us to do is double check our setting and then just test it out. So all you have to do is for that open volume mixer and set Spotify's output device as volume meter. Input search settings system sound volume mixer. Then note that you have to briefly play a song in Spotify for it to show up in the volume mixer. Make sure a circle A is toggled on under a virtual input in voice meter interface in order to test if Spotify is playing into voice meter and thus into the virtual microphone. Since voice meter output is our default recording device, it will be default microphone input for any voice application you are using. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.